One more question that we routinely face is the grievance redressal mechanisms for a hospital in insurance cases. So it's very common happening that we have some issues, disputes in the claim settlement or the claim processing from the insurance company. But we are mostly unaware of the standard procedure through which we can air our grievances. I would like to touch upon that. Now, first understand that every hospital will be assigned a SPOC, that's a single person of contact or single point of contact. This single point of contact person of that particular insurance company is the person whom you should first speak with. So only if that person is unable to resolve, then you will go to the next level. Now, how do you find the next level? There are 3 levels of grievance redressal in every insurance company or TPA, which they are supposed to have mandatorily according to the IRDA regulations. This grievance redressal mechanism is classified as level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 is the basic and level 3 is the advanced. Now, when you look at level 1, it is based on the region and the zone. Level 2 may be wider, but the level 3 grievance redressal is basically a single person or a single office handling all the escalated grievances for that insurance company or TPA. Now, beyond that, we don't actually have a grievance redressal mechanism which I laid out. I'd like to show you how to find out the grievance redressal mechanism of a particular insurance. For instance, let's look at care insurance. So what you need to do is just go to Google and type out the insurance company and the grievance redressal. You will get the link. Now, in this link, when you click, you will find that step 1, step 2 and step 3 and step 4 even. So what happens is every insurance company has this kind of Star Health, Star Health grievance redressal. So just everywhere there you will find different levels. That is the insurance company level. So if you want to look at New India Assurance, they will have a separate grievance redressal policy with the contact details and everything listed out. So your first step should be to give it to the escalate the matter to the level 1, then level 2 and level 3. Now, what is the time period? So the standard time period that they recommend is that if you contact the level 1 grievance redressal, if it is not addressed within 30 days, then you are supposed to escalate it to the next 30 plus 30 plus 30. Now, what to do after this level 3 is also not giving you your redressal of your problems? So I heard a lot of people suggest insurance ombudsman and IRDA. Let me touch each of them separately. Insurance ombudsman is for the protection of the insured, not the service provider. So any issue that you are facing, ombudsman is not, it's not mandatory for them to take up the issue. However, if you represent the same or from the patient's behalf, see, understand, the hospital is getting the cashless payment on behalf of the patient. So patient can themselves represent and say that this payment which is supposed to be due to the hospital on behalf of me has not been paid, so the amount stands due to me. So this kind of a redressal mechanism can be followed, but you need to have the patient in confidence. That's the first thing. Now comes the IRDA. IRDA does not deal with individual claims. However, if there is a gross policy violation in terms of if an insurance company asks you for extra money, or if they ask you for a kickback from the patient payout, whether it's the TPA or the insurance company, these kind of things can be always reported to IRDA and they are bound to act on this. Other than that, we actually as service providers, interestingly, the health insurance industry survives on the hospitals providing the service, but the hospital service provider actually doesn't have a grievance redressal policy as on date, which is central and impartial and unbiased. We only have the 3 levels of grievance redressal which is built in within the insurance company or the TPA infrastructure, and beyond that, no. Yes, one typical point I would like to add on is after the recent order by IRDA, all the insurance payments are done by the insurance company themselves to the hospital. So the TPA is not responsible for the payment. So once you send if you get a final approval and send the hard copy of the documents to the TPA directly, then henceforth the payment processing is by the insurance company. So if you are facing any difficulty, it will be always better if you can contact the insurance company, and from there, instead of pushing the file from the TPA, it's always better to pull the file from the insurance company side. So with this, I think I've been very amply clear. Anything else, you can always contact me back, and we'll be able to give you some redressal, some guidance. Thank you for being tuned. I would request if you can share this video to your friends and peers. It will be helpful, and we'll be coming out with more soon.